Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cycling in Vienna, and for the first time I'm going to be giving full telemetry overlay data. So the video is all done on my new GoPro Hero 10, and the GPS data was collected on my Garmin Edge Explore. So we're going to start this ride out in the 18th district in the northwest side of Vienna. Down at the bottom, the controls are from left to right, the speed, then the geographic coordinates. The yellow circle on the red line is the point on the overall loop for the day, 37 miles, about 58 kilometers. And then we have the progress bar showing that I'm 1.16 miles into the 37-mile ride. And then we have our bearing in the bottom right. At the top right is a map view. Today I'm riding my Marin DSX 1. I have that mount on the handlebars for the GoPro, and that worked out really well. So yeah, this new bike path is in the 18th district, runs along the 41 tram line for a couple of miles, and then meets up with other bike trails. For the 37 miles today, there were probably only 2 to 3 miles where I was on roads. And of course you're in Vienna, so you have tram tracks. On a mountain bike or gravel bike with wider tires, not really a big deal, but on a road bike, those narrow tires can get caught. So you need to be careful. There was some cobble, and there were probably in all about 7 to 8 miles of gravel, some through the Prater area, which you'll see in a bit, and some in the Lobau National Park. Here we're going across the pedestrian bridge to the Spittelau subway station, which has both the U4 and the U6. And basically, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to let the music and the video play. But I'd like to know in your comments below how you find this telemetry data. I'm using the software called Telemetry Overlay. So let me know what you think about it. I find it a new tool. I just bought it last week. So like I said, it's my first time trying. So your comments are welcome. And last bit before I turn off, these 37 miles, all within the city limits of Vienna. This little bit here is one of my favorites. It's the Rails to Trails project that was the old Stadtbahn, the old red Stadtbahn elevated trains that had been running for, I don't know, close to 100 years. If you watch my video above in the link, you'll see the tramway museum video I did back in the fall, and you can see the actual old Stadtbahn in that video, so have a look at that too. Anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye now.